But from an operating model, what we have also observed itself is that, like I mentioned, giving someone access to a banking model, a US dollars account, is not easy because running on the traditional model of the SWIFT side, there's just cost of operating, right? We always complain that the banks are charging a lot, but the infra is just a lot more expensive. But with stablecoin, actually transaction, things are being done in microcents, and receiving the stablecoin on the blockchain itself is almost zero at a cost. Of course, compliance cost side, right? But the cost of receiving from transaction side is almost zero, right? Or a couple of cents. So this is a major game changer from an operator of a wallet perspective itself, because typically the cost of fund is a major issue before you can think about your business model, right? How much does it cost for you to onboard the customers? How much does it cost for your customers to fund the account? How much then will you need to make money from the customers? Because we always talk about financial inclusion, which I'm also passionate about, given our footprint in Indonesia and large part of Southeast Asia. But what we observe over the last 10 years itself is, no matter the amount of VC money to continue funding this, you cannot run a non-profit business, right? The customers must pay for itself. I think the game changer here is the fact that the cost of fund, because of a stable coin, giving them access to a US dollars account, letting them holding a US dollars account right now is a lot lower than it used to be with this new technology.